Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at APT again, or the Aptos. So Aptos just hit a new all-time low. Of course, this was due to exchange, I would say exchange mistake, but again, there were a lot of liquidations and this happened. So it actually ended up hitting 0.74. That is like a massive low, and as of now, it seems like that it is heading for its last support, so that is going to be exactly here. So Aptos has a really good support around 3.2 to 3.06, I would say. Again, this is like a prime buying zone for the APT token, but APT was doing really well. As you can see, it was following this trend line ever since December of 2022, and there was a really good response. As you can see here, if market if the BTC had hold basically here at I think 120, we may have seen really good surge from the APT, but again, unfortunately, that did not happen, and APT did reject from 5.6, and as of now it just lost this trend line as well, and now it seems like that it is heading for 3.2 to 3.06. so let's break it down what is happening with the APT and what could be its next move. Now starting with some news about the ecosystem. They have had a lot, and I think they also did a rebrand or something like that. As you can see here, a new era of Aptos starts now. A fresh look, a sharper vision, 10x performance to power global payments. This is what they have, as you can see here. Now this is I believe this is their logo and something like that. And after that, so moving on to the next one, they have the Aptos experience going on as of now in NYC, and they did wrap the day one, as you can see here. So this could be big one. I think it may bring some hype to APT, but it doesn't seem like that it is the case, because the token just continues to go down, as you can see here, or the coin continues to go down. After that, they did introduce something called Aptos Assembly. As you can see, Aptos Foundation's 4-week program for builders, mentors, and ecosystem partners to focus, build, and launch products that move real value on Aptos. So again, they are working really hard on their ecosystem. So I would say that is really good. After that, we have a lot more news on their ecosystem, as you can see here, and I don't think that we have anything that could be a big one. Anyways, moving on to the TVL. So if we look at its TVL, so Aptos has been struggling ever since 2025 of May, as you can see here. So it did go as high as 1.27 billion, and as of now it is at 714, as you can see. So that is a massive, I would say, massive loss in TVL. But overall, the interesting thing about APT as of now is the DEX volume, as you can see here. So basically it is near its all-time high, so I think that's really good. So that means there is a lot of trading happening on the APT, so I think that is really well. So if we look at the bridge TVL, that is also down, so that's not good. But let's see what the stablecoins market cap has to say. So if so as of now, stablecoin market cap is really high, so I think overall that is really good for APT's ecosystem. So that means their tokenization as well as their DEX volume will most likely remain really high, and I think overall that is really good. So that means a lot of the network activity on the APT is really high, so I think overall that's really good. But as of now, again, APT is losing a lot in terms of its ecosystem TVL, so that is also not good, as you can see. Now the biggest reason why the APT continues to struggle, or at least continue to struggle to hit a new all-time high, as you can see, starting from January 2023, again back in 2024 it rejected exactly at the same level, and back in December it did go as high as 19, as high as 15, but it couldn't break this all-time high of $20. The reason is because of their tokenomics. So as of now, the APT is inflationary, as you can see here, and along with that there is a monthly unlock for the investors as well as for the core contributors, and that will continue till 2027, I believe. So that means this monthly sell pressure does adds up, as you can see. Even if you look here, whenever the market goes down, APT sees this massive sellout. So, and I think that happens because of basically these investors or even the core contributors could be taking the profit, and I think that is the reason. And again, the APT does have inflation as well, so that is most likely reason why APT continues to struggle. But again, that doesn't mean that it won't bounce back from here. So let's break it down. So as of now, if the market does go up as of now, or if it doesn't go down more, so let's say that if the BTC continues to hold at 110, I think the APT could actually see a really good breakout as well from this point, because it seems like that it wanted to go for a really good run, as you can see. So as of now, what I'm expecting from APT would be this. So we get this correction on this really good support, and after that the APT makes this run. So if it breaks above from here, we may see a really good breakout as well. But again, before that, I think once it goes in this exact zone, it may actually reject on this trend line. That is a possibility as well. But again, if it breaks above from here, we may see a really good, I would say, we may see a really good breakout, and it can make another run in this alt season as well, because we have yet to see a run on in this alt season. So if you look here, back in December, the token did do really well, and we do need to see that, because as of now the BTC did hit a new all-time high, and I think the APT also need to do that as well. Even if you look at Solana or even Ethereum, all of them did go up. So again, the APT has yet to make that move. So I'm expecting if this scenario is played out, it could be really good. But again, if APT loses this support, which is this is a really good one, and if the market, let's say, goes even more down, so we could be looking at even more correction from the APT as well. So in terms of if you just look at its market cap as of now, APT does have a really good support somewhere around 1.2 billion. As of now it is 2.5. I'm not expecting this massive crash, but again, APT can if we look here, it really does bounce back from 2.35 billion. So as of now, if it goes in this zone, so this could be a really good, I would say, support zone for APT in terms of its price as well as in terms of its market cap. So again, I think even if you look here, back in 2024, it did bounce back from here. So I'm expecting a really good bounce back from here. But if it doesn't hold this, it could actually go as low as 1.1 billion. So that was its market cap back in 2023. But again, its ecosystem is doing really well. Let's see what happens. But I think this is probably going to be the best entry for the APT as of now. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.